We're here at Palacio de Memoria. Look! O, 7 stories yan, guys. Oo, dito lang sa kay Simply Jane's channel. Dito lang po ito sa Parañaque. Sa Parañaque City. Ayan na, guys! Congratulations and best wishes to the newly-wed couple, si Daniel, Sir Daniel Miranda, yung apo po ni Luwilier, at saka si Sofia Andres. Ma'am, best wishes po sa inyo. At saka, okay, happy Zoe! Andito na ako ngayon sa Palacio de Memoria para mag-tour na talaga dahil last time hindi po ako pinapasok dahil it was the day before the wedding. So, wala man akong kaalam-alam. Talagang nakasagap ako ng balita na gano'n nga, ikakasal na kayo. Wow! Ayun na po yung eroplano. So, ito po runway. Ang tawag po nila dito is runway. Pero, runway na mga sasakyan. Hindi naman po ng eroplano. Ayun lang po yung eroplano. Okay, yan ang eroplano. That's the Palacio de Memoria, originally owned by the Ayala Zobel. And then, after the war, after World War II, binili daw po ng mga Villaroman. At sila na po yung nagpataas niyan. Kasi 2-story building lang po dati yan. So, according to the history, every generation of the Villaroman is adding one more floor or level to the structure hanggang naging 7 floors na siya. Okay. So, iikutin po natin, guys. Enjoy the tour with Simply Jane. Ayan po. So, nung Saturday lang yung kasal nila ni Sir Daniel Miranda, apo po ni Luwilier na present may-ari po nito. Ito pala is yung ulo lang ng eroplano. Ulo lang siya ng eroplano. Ito naman, full talaga siya. Mossville Aero. Ayan, yung isa din doon, ang laki, no? Diba? Okay. Malalaki. So, here we go. I heard meron pong The Loggia. Yun po yung restaurant nila. I don't know lang kung tuloy pa rin yan. Kasi yung kanilang chef po, yung chef nila ay namayapa na. Oo, yun po ay si Margarita Flores. May she rest in peace. Amen. Ito the Palacio, the Loggia, andyan pa pala. More parking, Mossville. Ito yung Mossville. Tapos registration area dito. Dito pala, punta muna tayo sa registration area. Smoking area, gift shop, Los Tamaraos exit, and the Chapel and Museum. Dito daw banda.
Verification lang natin.
Okay, yan na. Naka-register na tayo.
So medyo tight, sorry, medyo tight ba mo? Okay lang ba?
So, I'll go now. Thank you. Pero hindi pa tayo dyan papasok ngayon. Doon muna tayo sa museum. Thank you. Uy, grabe yung grounds, oh. Wala na pala yung loggia. Oo, since Chef Margarita Flores died in 2025, wala na pala yung loggia. But they'll be welcoming soon a concessionaire. Sabi daw po. So, pupunta tayo sa Mossville mamaya, yung sa aircraft. Pero unahin muna natin yung ating museum. So, ayan po yung museum. I think yung chapel is nandyan din po. Oh, parang mukha din naman siyang chapel. Ganda, no? Ayan si guard, oh. Eto na, guard. Eto na po. Ayan, oh. Oh, mag-ano muna tayo. Overall. Yan. Aha, diba? Yung area. Ganda. Yan po. Thank you. So this is the museum. Thank you, guard. Ito na Palacio de Memoria. Dito pala yung kanilang museum now. Yung mga paintings na yan na nakikita ko lang sa doon ko nakikita yan eh. Look at that. This is St. Augustine. Is he not? Parang doctor of the church. Excuse po. Ayan, yung original owners na si Antonio Melian and Margarita Sobel de Ayala. Ayan sila, Antonio Melian. So, 1899, ito po yung history niya. Ayan, signing of Treaty of Paris, Spanish colonial period ends, and then ito, so Manila Polo Club opened on Calle Real in Pasay with Governor General William Cameron. May polo club pala dito. Ayan yung polo club mo. Los Tamaraos Polo Club. Look at that. Talaga. Grabe, no, yung mga history, no, hindi natin alam. So the mansion in its original two-story structure was built. Anecdotal records or reports claim that the house was commissioned by Antonio Melian y Pavia, third Count of Peracamps, and his bride Margarita Sobel de Ayala. However, no records were left about its first owners, but its architectural legacy is credited today to national artist for architecture Juan Nakpil. Credited pala sa kanya yung original na two-story building po. 1937, Los Tamaraos Polo Club. Okay, pinatayo yung ito, 1935. Racial discrimination is believed to have caused a rift between the Elizalde family and the Manila Polo Club, arising from Elizalde's nomination of Colonel Manuel Nieto to Filipino President Manuel Quezon. Racial discrimination ba? Ganun talaga, no? Siyempre mga Indios. 1941 to 1945, the Japanese occupied the Philippines during the Second World War. Ayan po yung original two-story na Palacio de Memoria during the war pala. Ayan. 1900s photo courtesy of John Tewell. 1946, the Philippines is granted independence from the United States. The compound, which originally featured a 12 feet deep pool, was used in the interim site for the war-torn Manila Polo Club before its relocation to Makati. Okay, ayan na. Bygone War Mansions. Beach goers at Manila Bay. Ay, tama! Kasi dati po, tubig na talaga dyan sa harap ng Rojas Boulevard. Ibig sabihin, malapit lang po dito sa Palacio de Memoria. Talagang nandyan. Okay. And ito po, 1950s o 1980s. Like that. So, the Feast of Santa Rita de Casia. Okay. Tapos ito, yan pa rin, 1980 to 2004, ganyan siya. O syempre, na-disrepair na siya for a long, long time. So, until the Louvillier family bought the mansion, acquired the mansion, and it's 1.3 hectare property in 2004. Ayan na po. So, 2 vintage planes were parked on the exterior. Okay, anong sabi? Reminiscent of the area's vicinity as an airfield and now the site of Ninoy Aquino International Airport. Formal restoration of the mansion, guided by interior designer Miguel Rosales, began in 2015. The restoration of the nearly century-old mansion and its components would take 3 years to complete. Ayan. So, makikita natin yung Palacio de Memoria na hindi kaaya-aya. At ngayon po, pagkatapos ng kanyang renovation, ito na po present day. Ito na ngayon ang ating pupuntahan. Ito yung trinket box. Yan. Do not touch lang. Okay. Trinket box na. Yan. Actually, nung mga panahon ni Isabel de Ayala. Ito, various items. Includes shard of a plate. Okay. With stylized floral. Ito yun. Shard of a plate. Tapos, cassette tape na broken. Unearthed near the back garden. Ayan. So, ayan pala siya. At ayan terrazzo fragment. And ito, cannonball. My goodness. And the angel. Hello po. Let wellness become you. Okay. Hidden treasures. And so we'll go get inside here. Okay. Paintings, actually. Mostly paintings. Ayan sila, Oh, that must be Augustinians. Augustinians yan. Si Fray Julian Perez de Santa Lucia. Ayan, may altar. Kasi religious talaga. Ito din yung mga nakikita natin. Nakita tayo sa hagdanan. Doon po sa may yan mga museum, sa National Museum. Okay, since wala po tayong guide natin, Angel of God na lang, my guardian angel, to whom God's love and trust us here, ever this day be at our side, to light and guide, to rule and guard. Amen. Please, syempre, do not sit down, no? Thank you for not sitting. That's the bishop's chair. Okay. Cross. Okay. Baptistry siguro ito. Niño Jesus. Ito parang holy water stoup Yung bago ka pumasok sa kwarto, may mga kwarto dati, may mga holy water stoup. Nilalagyan po ng holy water para pagpasok mo, magbibless ka muna. Hindi siya clear. Hindi masyadong clear. Ito, ayan, medals and medallions, imagine. And the crucifix, that is ivory, I'm sure. Ang ganda ng niya, no? Crucified Christ. Okay. Reliquary. Yung sa mga santo. Ganyan. Wow, ang ganda. It's actually, siya yung Holy Family. Belen. Yun. Belen siya. Belen. The crucifix. Siyempre, marami talagang mga crucifixes. Dahil, we are Christian. Christian country. At lalong-lalo na yung mga mayayaman nung mga panahong iyon, meron silang hindi lang altar. It's a prayer room talaga. So, ito, sa baba. Marami talaga, mga santo. Kasi nga, very religious sila, no? Yun po. At syempre, yung mayayaman lang naman ang pwedeng bumili. May hindi naman karapatan. May kapasidad. May kapasidad na bumili, 'di ba? Hanggang ngayon pa naman din, ganun din po. Sila lang po may kapasidad na bumili dahil si San Anselmo pala to. San Anselmo. Okay. Yan Yung mga mahihirap, hindi na kailangan bumili. Yung uunahin nila, syempre, pagkain. At kung ano pa dyan, as usual. So, mga connoisseur of art, syempre, pero ang ganda nito, Little Jesus Christ with globus, cruciger, oil on canvas, 18th century Spain. You see, Kasi lahat ng mga ano dito, nasa loob actually, are coming from Europe. Mga artwork from Europe. Franciscan priest on canvas. Ito naman, Saint Francis of Assisi. On oil on copper. Really? Oil on copper. Grabe ito, tingnan nyo. Hindi siya oil on board It's oil on copper. Ito naman, Saint Anthony of Padua. Oil under glass. Galing. Oo, saan galing? 18th century Spain. So, these artworks are not only coming from the Philippines. They were really brought from Europe. Oo, nakalagay nga dyan, 19th century Europe. Ito naman, look, Saint Anthony of Padua with Child Jesus, oil under glass. Saint Augustine of Hippo. Yan, si Tatay San Agustin. Okay. The Queen. Okay, the Queen. Wala naman kasi nakalagay kung sino yung Queen. Basta, royal. Ito, Niño Jesus. Okay. May hat siya, Yeah. Dami. Ang dami. And these are, mga statues and saints, icons. Madonna and child standing on cherubs. Diba ang ganda? Ito, Blessed Virgin. Made of ivory for sure. Okay, alam niyo yung ivory kung saan ang galing, sa elephant tusk. Yung ano ng elepante, yun po ang kinukuha para gumawa sila nitong mga ganyan. Okay, yan European talaga. Ayan Adoration of the Shepherds. Spanish School. Lucas. Saan galing? 17th century Spain. Yan It's a 17th century Spain painting. Ito, si Jesus sa scourging at the pillar. Ayan po. Sino ang gumawa? 17th century Portugal. Portuguese painting pala ito. Look at that. Scourging at the pillar. Ito. So, ito actually, collection na to ng mga Louvillier. Family Louvillier. Alam naman po natin na ang mga Louvillier ay galing sa France. So, Europeans po sila. So, they migrated to the Philippines early on. So, ibig sabihin, hindi lang naman Chinese, yung mga naging dito sa atin, mga migrants. So, and then, they opened business. Nung una, sa Cebu talaga sila. So, congratulations, dahil naging maganda ang kanilang mga negosyo. So, kumbaga, sa jewelry shop and pawn shop, yung kanilang negosyo. So, Netherlands pala to, 17th century, Belgium, Netherlands, France. Look at that. Grabe, that's oil painting. Dito. Thank you for not sitting. That must be a bishop's chair as well. Coronation of the Blessed Virgin Mary. Crowning, Ito naman. Okay, si Mama Mary din yan. Okay, and this one, coronation by the Trinity Louis, Saint Louis, King of France. Ayan siya. Bishop's chair, tama? Okay. Okay, ito, it's a Virgin and Child Portable Tabernacle. Okay, yan Kung tabernacle, nilalagyan po ng ostya, di ba? Tabernacle. Pero baka ano lang siya, ng mga saints. Anong tawag doon? Kung relics, reliquary. Kung eskaparate ng mga santo, hindi ko masyadong maalala ngayon. Hanapin ko na lang po. Ayan. Ano kaya iyan? Ito. Liberation of St. Peter. Tapos, Franciscans with the people. The Ark of the Covenant. Doon sa ano? The Ark of the Covenant. Sa war-torn Israel, we have to pray for peace. Child of Jesus. Child Jesus, a shepherd. Ayan o, shepherd. Italian console table with bone inset depicting 3 fishing puti. Ayan. Italian pala yan na console table. Brazen staff of Moses. Look at that. Oh, brazen staff of Moses. Nakita niyo po yung may ano ng ahas at kung sino daw, whoever would look up to the snake on the pole, okay, would actually get well. Kasi 'di ba they were bitten by snakes. So yan brass, made of brass. So ayan ang ginawa nila. Pinagawa naman yun. Oo, ni God sa kay Moses. Ito naman conversion of St. Paul. Yung nahulog si St. Paul sa kabayo. Look at that. Oo, and then he became blind and he was converted to the faith. Ito naman, ano po ito yung 3? Yung sa Old Testament ito. 'Di ba? Oo, martyrdom of Cordoba Saints, Faust, Gennaro, and Marcial. Martyrdom pala ng Cordoba Saints. Grabe. Ito, syempre, kilala mo yan, di ba? San Isidro ba yan? Basta may aso. Okay, yan po. And that one is Madonna de la Sigiola. Grabe, no? Okay, yan. Sino kaya iyan? Oo, Reyna din yan. Early Christianization of the Roman Empire. Our Lady of Silence with Child and Jesus. Okay. And Mary Magdalene, stripping of wealth. Talaga. Oo, kasi si Mary Magdalene, nag-strip off talaga siya. Oo, diba? Stripping of wealth daw. How nice. Dami. Tsaka mga scapularyo. Scapulars were very popular in those days. Kahit ngayon po, meron pa naman those who are wearing the brown scapular, for example. Ayan po, Coronation of the Virgin, Our Lady of Montserrat, Virgin of Carmen. Carmen talaga yan. The Holy Family. Ito yung The Holy Family. Si Joseph, Jesus, and Mary. Sila de Fraile, leather wood, brass, 19th century Portugal. Di na natin madidetalye lahat-lahat, guys. Basta ito po yung contents, no, ng ating pinuntahang museum. Okay, monogram of the Virgin, Immaculada Conception, Our Lady of the Rosary, and the Sila de Fraile, Immaculate Conception. Ito, urna. Mga urna. Kung saan mga nilalagay yung mga santo. Urna pala ang tawag. Oo, yan po. That was the word that we were looking for. Okay, ayan na po. So, palabas na po tayo. Palabas na tayo. O medyo meron tayong hindi nasilip doon. Balikan natin konti at silipin natin. Ayan, this small room at the end. O, konti lang napasilip. Ayan, may Chinese pa pala. Okay, yan o. Wow. Okay. Masyadong glaring ito. Oo, minsan sa lights no? Okay, yan. Oh, may Jesus din. This is Urbino Maholica. Ay, okay. Made in Italy. Okay. May chair. Alright. Thank you. Thank you so much. At ito pa, oh. Wow. Madonna and Child. Madonna and Child ito. Wow, ang cute. Please do not touch. Pero sa lahat, Madonna and Child. Sa lahat ng ito, Renaissance, no? Ito yung gusto ko. Okay, yan. Oh, wow. Malaki siya. Medyo may kalakihan siya. Okay. So, nasilip na natin lahat-lahat. Ayan. And let's go. Thank you so much. Salamat po. Salamat. So, we're done with the museum. The elevation of the cross pala ito. The elevation of the cross. Ayan siya, oh. Ayan. Okay. So, thank you so much. We're done with this. Welcome to the Grey Room. So, ito po yung Palacio de Memoria. Yung lobby ng museum nila. So, palabas na po tayo. Thank you so much. Palabas na tayo. At we shall proceed to the next. Okay, dito naman tayo. Sa labas na. Ayan, oh, ganda. Alright. Thank you, guard. Papasok pa pala tayo sa Mossville. Yung Mossville, ayan, eroplano. Yung eroplano, anong meron sa loob? Actually, matagal na natin gustong, pasukin din yung mga eroplano doon sa Villamor. Kaso, hindi pa po available for public viewing. Ayan. So, akyat tayo dito. C7-205. So, C7 pala ito. Mossville. Okay. Wow, lilipad na tayo. Ayan o. Grabe, ano po yan?
Yung balas na naman.
Ano pong hayop? Oo. Kanino po ito dati, kuya?
Ma'am, ano po to? Dati bar?
Bar. Pero yung eroplano po mismo, wala kayong idea kung sino po ang may-ari. Ginamit po ba dito sa Pilipinas?
Oo. Kasi 1940 pa daw ito, ma'am.
1940 pa.
Tapos single engine.
A single engine siya na eroplano. Pero marami siyang marami siyang sakay. Pwedeng private plane talaga siya. It's a private plane, single engine. Ano po ang pangalan sa kanya? Look at that. Wow. Pwede bang lakaran to? Pwede bang lakaran? Parang nakakatakot apakan. Parang nakakatakot apakan yung kristal. Pero I think pwede naman kasi bakit yan ang talagang nilagay nila, no? So, ayan, no? Wow! Mga ng stewardesses. Ito. Wow! Mga damit na yan. Grabe, oh. Ayan. Oh, that's the cockpit. The cockpit of the Mossville. 1940 na eroplano na single engine airplane. Yes. Ako parang natatakot akong mag-apak dito sa kristal. Oo, yan. Ay, grabe, ang dami din pala, no? Ang dami rin palang chairs. So, this is the Mossville. Oo, yan po. Okay. Thank you. Maraming salamat po. Ayan. Dito lang siya. Ayan siya, oh. Mossville Aero. So, ayan, alam na natin na 1940 pa siya na eroplano, na single engine.